Hi everyone, welcome to Everyone Doodle. I went to Japan in November and bought a bunch of stationery, including the Traveler's Notebook, a notebook that I'd really want to try out since I started journaling a few months ago. Many of the stationery, including the Traveler's Notebook, were duty-free items, so they were all in this duty-free plastic bag. So let's see what I got. So first of all, the quintessential Traveler's Notebook brass clip. And I bought both the regular and passport size Traveler's Notebook and some accessories. So these are some passport size blank notebooks. I also bought a transparent zipper case, which turned out to be super useful. More on that later. And this is the actual Traveler's Notebook in a box. I picked the color blue. And next up is the regular size. And I picked the color camel. I also bought a bunch of accessories. Pen holder, some regular size refill notebooks, including a Tokyo version, extra rubber bands, although I don't know how to use them yet, and again a zipper case. I also bought some stickers, but they are not from the Traveler's Notebook brand. More accessories. A regular size writing board, which is really pretty. Passport size refill notebooks. A Tokyo version pencil. Passport size writing board. Some super cute 2025 stickers. And another brass clip with a plane on it. Another refill, regular size. Now come the exciting times. Let's unbox the Traveler's Notebooks. Let's start with the passport size. So there's a product description sheet. And then the box with a kind of black, blue rubber band. And the notebook is placed inside this cotton bag. It comes with an extra rubber band as well, which is kind of yellow. Alright, let's take the Traveler's Notebook out. Okay, so the blue color is really deep, really dark, almost kind of light black in certain angle, but you can actually still see that it is blue in color under sufficient light. I like it. It kind of have a low-key and elegant vibe to it. So there's a notebook inside, a blank notebook, different angles, Okay, I'll set it up later. I'll put it back into the cotton bag first. Now let's unbox the regular size traveler's notebook. Similar packaging. Also a product description sheet. And the rubber band on the box is brown, probably matching my camel colored notebook. It's in the cotton bag as well. Quick size comparison of the two. All right, let's take it out. I definitely struggled a bit for the regular size. And I really love this camel color. The texture of the leather feels really good as well. All right, let's open it. It's got a blank notebook inside as well. Super pretty, and I just couldn't help feeling the leather. Alright, I'll set it up later as well. And I really struggled to put the regular traveler's notebook back into its cotton bag. So comparing the size again, if you put it this way, it's almost like 2 times the size of the passport traveler's notebook. I forgot to show you the box as well. An extra rubber band that's kind of green in color for the regular notebook. Alright, now let's unbox the stickers. So these pack of 25 stickers, I think the size is about that of a regular traveler's notebook. Super cute. And there are actually 6 sheets of different stickers. These round dots are going to be so useful and practical. Also some alphabets and numbers, product description sheet, let's lay them all out. There are 6 of them. The theme of the sticker pack is Love and Trip, and it's so cute. Now let's do some basic setup for the notebooks with the accessories. Let's start with the passport size notebook. I really wanted to use this zipper case, and it was super helpful when I traveled. Again, the product description sheet. When I traveled with it, I put some random small items such as my phone SIM card into that zipper pocket. And these smaller pockets could hold my IDs perfectly. Oh, and I just realized that there is a personal info page, just like a real passport, on the last page. Alright, I'm gonna take out the notebook in the original package. And put the zipper case in. And I want the smaller pockets to be on the front. But you can do it either way, whatever you like. And to insert this into the notebook, make sure that you hold up both rubber band and not just the top rubber band, which is a mistake that I made. So now put the notebook back in as well. Again, hold up both rubber bands. Pull the string to adjust. And yay! Now I have my passport-sized traveler's notebook with a zipper case. Let's put the writing board in as well. Now set up the regular size traveler's notebook. And again, I want to have a zipper case in a notebook. So there's one zipper pocket and then another pocket in the back. So no smaller pocket like the passport size one. So I'm gonna take out the regular notebook that's in the original packaging. Well, I decided to have the zipper bag as the front page, but you can do whatever you like. And again, lift up both rubber bands in order to insert the zipper case. Again, lift up both rubber bands and put in the notebook. Pull the string to adjust. And yay, now I have a zipper case with my notebook as well. And put the writing board in. So here are my two traveler's notebooks. What do you think?